Why should you clean your gutters?
Gutters are an essential part of any home's roofing system. They help to direct rainwater away from the house, preventing damage to the roof, walls, and even the foundation. Over time, this can cause costly repairs that could have been avoided with simple gutter maintenance. Keeping gutters clean also prevents pest infestations and mold growth.
How do you clean your gutters?
Always prioritize safety when working on ladders. Avoid overreaching and straining your body, and use a ladder barricade or warning signs if necessary. Do not overload the ladder with heavy tools or equipment, as this can cause it to topple or become unstable. A scoop or small trowel is a valuable tool for removing debris from gutters. Ensure that the tool you use doesn't damage the gutters while removing debris. Start cleaning at the downspout and work your way across to the opposite end. Cleaning the gutters in this direction ensures that any debris or water will flow smoothly toward the downspout. Once all the debris has been removed, use a garden hose to rinse the gutters thoroughly. This will remove any remaining small debris or dirt.
Why should you consider hiring a professional to clean your gutters?
While it is possible to clean gutters on your own, it can be a dangerous and time-consuming task. StormGuard has the necessary equipment and expertise to safely and effectively clean gutters. Additionally, StormGuard professionals can spot potential roof problems and repair them before they become more significant. For busy homeowners, hiring a professional gutter cleaning service is an investment that saves time and money in the long run.